Have a nice day to all. Today I'll speak about major subfields of psychology. The science of psychology benefits society and enhances our lives. Psychologists examine the relationships between brain function and behavior and the environment and the behavior, applying what they learn to illuminate our understanding and improve the world around us. The first subfield of psychology is brain science and cognitive psychology. Brain science and cognitive psychologists study how the human mind thinks, remembers, and learns. They apply psychological science to understand how we make decisions and perceive our world. That is cognitive psychology. Next is climate and environmental psychology, where these psychologists, climate and environmental psychologists, use psychological science to improve the interactions of people with the world around us, around the world. Next is clinical psychology, the word we use often, very often. Clinical psychologists integrate the science of psychology with the treatment of complex human problems, psychiatric problems, and other areas they are covering, and they always try to find remedy or cure using different therapeutical methods. Different therapeutical methods. Next is counseling psychology. Counseling psychologists focus on facilitating personal and interpersonal functioning across the lifespan. They counsel people, they guide people, they understand the people those who are suffering from different problems, different life problems, stress, anxiety, all those areas. Next is developmental psychology. Developmental psychologists study how people grow and adapt over the course of their lives. They apply their research to help people overcome developmental challenges and reach to their full potential. Next is experimental psychology. Experimental psychologists use science to explore the process behind human and animal behavior. Next is forensic and public service psychology. Forensic and public service psychologists use psychological science to support the judicial system and other organizations dedicated to public safety. Their expertise and assessments are important in a range of issues that straddle the psychology and legal fields, from mental competence to youth testimony. Next is health psychology. Health psychologists use the science of psychology to promote health, prevent illness, and improve healthcare. They get to the root of people's emotions to help them make healthy choices. Next is human factors and engineering psychology. Human factors and engineering psychologists strive to make everyday experiences easier, more comfortable, and less frustrating by applying the psychological science of human behavior to the products, systems, and devices we use every day. Next subfield is industrial and organizational psychology. Industrial and organizational psychologists use science to study human behavior in organizations and in the workplace. Next is educational psychology. Educational psychologists working in education study how people learn and retain knowledge. They study how people learn and retain knowledge. They apply psychological science to improve the learning process and promote educational success for all students. Next is psychobiology. Psychobiology, the branch of psychology dealing with the relations of interactions between body and behavior, especially as exhibited in the nervous system, receptors, effectors, or the like. Quantitative psychology is the next subfield. Quantitative psychologists study and develop the methods and techniques used to measure human behavior and other attributes. Their work involves the statistical and mathematical modeling of psychological process, the design of research studies, and the analysis of psychological data. Next is rehabilitation psychology. Rehabilitation psychologists study individuals with disabilities and chronic health conditions. and help to improve their overall quality of life. Next is social psychology. Social psychologists use psychological science to understand how we perceive ourselves in relation to the rest of the world and how this perception affects our choices, behaviors, and beliefs. Next, sports and performance psychology. Sports and performance psychologists use science to study human behavior and abilities in sports, exercise, and performance. They help people overcome psychological barriers that can impede their achievements and professional success. Thank you very much for listening to the video.